this video we will try to solve the problem on types of selections. So here graph is given that represents the range of birth weights of particular offsprings in the mammal populations. So graph of number of individuals versus birth weight is given. So as a typical in many mammal populations, offspring with an average weight at birth have a higher survival rate than offspring with a very low or very high birth rate. That is based on this information, which one of the following graph is the best prediction of what will happen to the range of birth weights in this population over time, that we have to choose one among the answer options. In this graph we can see that there are three extremes are given. Among them, at one peak point there are very less numbers of individuals are found that have very less weight, means low weight. At the middle there are certain number of increased number of individuals found which have an average birth weight, and at the last very low number of individuals found that have a highest, means higher birth rate. And in the problem they have clearly mentioned that average birth weight individuals have a higher survival rate. So from this graph we can see that average number of birth weight individuals survive more than very low as well as very much high birth rate. So as the period of time, over time period, number of individuals of an average birth weight are selected naturally and their number increases rather than very low and very high birth weight individuals, right? So graph will be like this over a period of time. So among the answer options we have to find out such a patterns of graph which matches the highest survival rate of an average number of birth weight survivors or else birth weight offsprings. So in the answer options we can see that A and B matches our pattern, but peak value of option B for an average birth weight individuals is higher than option A. So option B is the right answer, and it's a kind of selection of nature that is known as stabilized selection, right? So if my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos.